Yo, it's Ryan, Smart Web Tutor. What's going on today? It's good to see you. How are you doing? I'm coming to you again, live, right? Not live, but recorded. I'm live. You're watching it recorded. I'm coming to you today just to talk to you a little bit about Facebook groups, right? We got to have the Facebook group. Build the group. Build it and they will come. Well, not always, right? You could build and try to build, get people into your group, have them answer questions, all these different things. But Facebook groups is being promoted, right? And Facebook rooms, right? Rooms so that you can get in there, have conversations, do meetings, have little parties. But Facebook groups where you could build a group, have a loyal following, build up your brand, help people out with a solution, whatever you choose, right? You could build a group for anything. I'm building a group over on Facebook for internet marketing, like I'm building up over here, internet marketing training. But over there, it's called the Internet Marketing Show. In a little bit, I'll take you over there, show you around a little bit, and just kind of what I'm doing. But the importance, right? The importance of building up that group, building up the fans, getting them engaged, putting out content so that they will see it on a regular basis. And just like you're on your profile over there on Facebook, not everybody comes in and looks. You know, some people might look, but they don't want to like or they don't comment. You know, people, there's a lot of looky-loos. That's why you can monitor your group and make sure that you don't get people in there that really aren't doing anything or adding any value to the group, right? I'm pretty much putting out a group for total value. I'm putting the group so that people can get some extra training, right? And then weekly, I'm going to be releasing these videos over here on YouTube, right? So I wanted to let you know about the group I'm building. And if you want to join as well, that's something that you have an option for, right? Because I'll also be putting in some special stuff in the group where you can get access to that as well. Some stuff that's not available over here on the YouTube channel. So we're just building, we're building, we're building. And slowly but surely, you build up both. This is another video, right? Another video, day in, day out. Okay. Today, it's not a promotion. Again, I'm just coming to you with a little bit of training about Facebook groups. And the topic will be the benefits of Facebook groups. Facebook groups, the benefits, all the different benefits, right? Where you can get people in, teach them things, interact, build the group, have other people invite others into the group, your own little membership area on Facebook. But there's some important things that we need to learn about that before we build up too far, and then we don't know what happens to Facebook, right? Maybe Facebook goes away. We got to make sure that we got our stuff protected. So let me get you over there to the Facebook group and we can talk about a few things. If you have any questions, then you can post them in the comments. But as we go along, I'll be pointing out some different things. And if you like that kind of content, then you can come join the group over there too on Facebook. And, be sure to like and subscribe on this video, right? We want you to get the updates so that we're not getting left behind. I'm doing the foundational trainings, nothing too complicated, right? Just don't want to get too confusing because there's a lot of stuff out there and we can get confused, right? It's easy to get confused with all the stuff. We got thousands of TV shows, right? Remember back in the day, we had like 3 channels, but now it's like thousands of channels, thousands of programs. Can't even keep up. We got all these books released every single week. We got all these different podcasts. We got all these different lives we can watch. We got all these different marketers marketing to us. And you pick the ones that you resonate with. I hope that you're getting the messages that I'm putting out and that you're seeing the value in it, that you're getting good value, that you're understanding that what I'm doing here is bringing you stuff that you can use, implement quickly, and go forward. All right, so let's get on over there to that group. I could show you a little bit further and give you some details, and we could go from there. All right, here we are. This is the group I was talking to you about. It's the Internet Marketing Show. The Internet Marketing Show, all about internet marketing. Tune into your marketing vision, right? We're all about the vision. We want to build out our vision. We don't want to just build something just because. Wouldn't it be more exciting in life if you were able to build out your vision, build out a dream, right? Live your dream life, continue to grow towards your dream rather than continue to work towards somebody else's dream. That's what we're trying to do, right? Build the vision. Build the vision. Birth it into this world. Let it manifest, right? We don't want it to become stale and stagnant and then die off. Okay? The Internet Marketing Show, I built it specifically internet marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, people that are building their brand and building their vision online, coming to their audience, bringing products, specific offers, whatever it may be. Even local marketing, local businesses coming online, wanting to promote their products, get more people into their stores. It's the same thing. We're all trying to make the sales. All right. So this is a group. I've just started building it out. Got the 67 members, and looks like I got some requests here. I'm going to have to do some approval. So I'll do that after this video. I'm going to approve people because tonight, Thursday night, I have Thursday Night Live. Every Thursday night I go live with my program. So I'll be on here a little bit later doing my thing because today's Thursday. But I had to create the video, right? I had to create this video first. I had to do a video, one video a day, building. And then I'm going to come to the group. I'm going to do my weekly meeting where I come with another topic. This week's topic, what do we got for this week? I'm going to come down here, and this week is birthing your marketing vision, just like we're talking about, and just like this gal is, right? We got the birthing of the marketing vision, and she says, "Get this thing out of me," right? So, if you've ever been in that room when your partner was having the baby, they want to get it. They want to get it out, right? And that's the same thing with our dreams. Our dreams want to come out into this world, right? That's the reason why they're dreams. They're in our, divine inspiration. These things, these ideas, they're coming through you, and they want to be born into this world, and they want to be used by other people, right? There's a way for ideas to get into this world, and those ideas come through us, and those ideas are used to either help people or hurt people. Unfortunately, we have the latter in our lives as well, and our goal is to be the ones that are doing it for good, right? Our ideas are there to help other people so that they can get further on in line and in life. We don't want them to be getting more confused because we gave them more information. Sometimes more information is too much. Okay? People need bite-sized chunks so that they can digest it and use it rather than get overloaded. You ever been in an office job where they put a stack of paperwork on your desk? All right? It's kind of tedious because you have to get through that whole stack, and that stack looks really large. And sometimes when that stack is too large, you quit because it just seems too much. You can't handle it. Okay? So tonight I'm going to go live with my Thursday Night Live, right? It's the Internet Marketing Show. It's just like a program. I'm doing my weekly program. So with the group, I have my welcome message here. I got the welcome where I can welcome people in and they can say hi. And then I also have a welcome video. And then I also have, where I post to say, congratulations or welcome to the group for each person that comes in. And then I have my member requests. And then also with groups, which is nice, is you have your guide section where you can have basically where you could put your lessons, or you could like tag other things, like maybe you have places for downloads, or other lessons or trainings that you have. Then you have your announcements, which is basically, this is the announcements area. And then you could do rooms where you could go in there and create a room and then have like only invite somebody. So maybe it's one of your coaching clients and you're going in the room and you're doing some coaching with them one-on-one, rather than using Zoom or something like that, which is a different tool. So if you're already working in the group on Facebook and you don't necessarily need to, you're not doing like a full out consultation or something like that, because I have another software that I use for my meetings, and then I can do private rooms for each person and then have notes and save the recordings and all that inside the meeting area. And then it's private to just us, because you don't want that information to be leaked out to other parties, right? So anyway, that's a nice handy feature that to have meetings or just simple chats with some of your group members. Maybe it's just a consult or just something where you're getting to know them, or maybe you're trying to figure out whether they want to move forward with one of your programs. So it's just another concept, right? This is another tool that we can use online that's helpful for us to grow, right? I'm using the Facebook group and I'm also marketing over there on YouTube. So I'm building out those two platforms, all right? I don't want to go out and build too many. I don't want to build too much because I can't handle all that. Right now I'm handling this, I'm handling that, right? So we got more options. You could do topics, like you can create topic tags. You can see the members in your group. You can create the events, like I created every week I create the event for my Thursday Night Live. And then the media, where you got the different videos and pictures. So I often post different posts about some like something that happened in history, some inspiration, right? And then my videos with my lives. And so again, if you feel like something like building a group is something that you wanted to do, maybe you already are building a group on Facebook and you want to get more information about it, right? You just kind of stuck or trying to figure out more details, then hit me up, because I got different references and I have different lessons that I might be able to send your way that could help you out, get you a little bit further on, and you can start building out your group. Again, this is the beginning process. I'm doing it because it's something that I wanted to do, and finally I took the leap and said, I want to build my group. Started doing my live program, and I'm getting lots of enjoyment out of doing the live program now. At first I was like, oh no, doing lives, right? And but now it's like kind of seems like second nature, and I look forward to seeing some of my members showing up during the live call. And then afterwards I have the guide section where you can come back and you could watch the past episodes of the program. If you guys have enjoyed the information I've been sharing with you, it'd be awesome if you came on over to Facebook and looked up the Internet Marketing Show. I'll also post a link inside the description down below that you could come directly over and put in a request to join the group. And we'll take a look at your profile and make sure that that the group is right for you. Not all groups are right for everybody, right? I want to know that it's a group that will be helpful for you. And I just don't want a bunch of people in just because I want to build the numbers. I want to have active members that come in and want to engage and enjoy the information and comment and interact. because that's what builds the community, is interaction and getting to know each other, understanding what you need, right? Come on in, we can have a talk. You got access to me, because on YouTube it's more public, right? In the private group, then you have even more access, and you can send me a message or ask me questions, be on the lives, talk to me, interact. And if you have questions during the lives, then we can address some of those questions, right? All right. Well, my name's Ryan. I'm the Smart Web Tutor. I appreciate you for coming in and checking out another video here. We're just moving along, right? Another day. I'm at like 25 videos now, right? This will be the 25th of the rest of the year, right? So by the end of the year, I should be over the 150 mark, right? Build the channel. Build the group, right? Just build on the platform that you like, right? If you're on Instagram, build your Instagram. Keep building, adding posts, little pictures, whatever it is that you're doing, right? Build it and just keep growing, because you just keep growing, and then maybe slowly but surely you start seeing your numbers rise, right? Eventually, hopefully, I'm going to be not 67 members, or now with the 6 new requests, depending on whether they're going to, if they want to become really part of the group, 73, right? So we're just growing. All right. If you like these videos, be sure to like it, right? Like the video right below, right? Put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that I could send you out the updates, right? So that you're notified when I go live or when I put out a new video. We don't want you to miss out, right? We don't want you to miss anything. So I appreciate you. Thanks for coming by. We'll talk to you next time in the next video. All right. Have a good day. Bye now.